Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that every traveler needs in their arsenal. The best Eez Y Windproof Travel Umbrella by Repel. With unpredictable weather patterns and sudden rain showers, this umbrella promises to keep you dry and protected no matter where your adventures take you. Let's explore what makes this umbrella a must-have for anyone on the go. First and foremost, let's talk about its compact design. The best Eez Y measures just 11.5 inches when closed, making it incredibly portable. It weighs less than a pound, allowing you to slip it into your backpack, purse, or even a briefcase without taking up valuable space. No more wrestling with bulky umbrellas that barely fit in your bag. One of the standout features of this umbrella is its effortless auto-open and close mechanism. Imagine walking into a building and, instead of fumbling with a manual umbrella, you simply press a button. This feature is particularly handy when you're juggling bags or when you're in a hurry. Just press, and you're protected from the rain. Now, let's discuss durability. The best Eez Y is engineered with a double-vented canopy. That allows wind to pass through, significantly reducing the risk of inversion, a common problem with regular umbrellas. Its 9 fiberglass ribs provide exceptional support against strong gusts. This umbrella is designed to flex slightly in high winds without breaking, ensuring you stay dry even in stormy conditions. Speaking of staying dry, the canopy is made from a high-quality waterproof TPU fabric. This advanced material not only repels water but dries quickly, allowing you to pack it away without worrying about dripping water inside your bag. Plus, the Teflon coating enhances water repellency, making it a breeze to shake off any raindrops. Comfort is also a priority. The ergonomic, slip-proof handle is designed for ease of use, allowing you to hold it securely even during a downpour. Plus, it comes with a wrist strap for added convenience, so you can keep it close at hand while you're on the move. When it comes to travel essentials, the best Eez Y Windproof Travel Umbrella ticks all the boxes. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring a new city, or enjoying an outdoor event, this umbrella is the reliable companion you need. It combines functionality, durability, and convenience, all at an affordable price point. In summary, if you're looking for a compact, lightweight, and robust umbrella that can handle the elements, the best Eez Y Windproof Travel Umbrella is your best bet. Don't let rain ruin your day. Stay dry and stylish with Repel. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.